Welcome guys, Patrick from Oztech Sparks. Here we are at one of our recent renovations that a customer has trusted us to install lighting throughout the house, power throughout the house, feature lighting, strip lighting, security, cameras, intercom, and an integrated alarm system that shows up off their phone and is able to control their garage door. I'll take you through. As you can see guys, we've decked out the whole house with downlights. We've done the TV mounts, we've changed power points to fresher power points. We've also gone that step further and we've integrated the whole system on the person's phone. So we can actually control all the lighting from each one of the rooms from the person's phone. So I'm gonna pull it up here and we've put them into different rooms. So right now we're in the living room and we're gonna turn off this. We're gonna turn off the entry, We'll turn this one back on by increasing the dimming. Let's leave it at 53%. And if I wanted to, I can also put the other switch on a schedule by the settings. The customer wanted something specific for their house, so they purchased the Samsung Frame TV with such a low profile to the wall. The brackets for the TV have to be installed in a certain way, but it wasn't a challenge for our team and it came out looking beautiful. So the clients mentioned to us that they wanted to use a dining room as their feature of the house. They left us in charge for finding the perfect lights for the room. We picked out these wall lights and they came out looking impeccable. Now another cool thing of course is when they're kicking back and they don't want to walk to the switch, they click into the dining and they can turn on the downlights as well. So it brightens up the whole room, makes it look beautiful. We overheard the clients talking about wanting a fireplace at their property. Although they didn't have gas coming to the property, so of course we come in solution focused at Oztech Sparks and we suggested getting an electric fireplace. We supplied and installed this electric fireplace for the clients and they love it. It brings the whole room together and the flames look realistic. It comes out beautiful. It also comes with this remote. You can change the temperature on the remote and you can also change the lights with a click of a button. Another cool thing is that you can actually have the flames going in the background without any heat coming out. So this feature for this dining room ties in perfectly. We wanted to keep the consistency throughout the house with these wall lights because of how much the clients love them. On the back patio, we've installed them as wall lights as a feature effect, but then we've also installed these downlights just for the illumination. The clients also wanted a nice feature for the main bedroom, so we recommended installing these pendant lights coming from the ceiling. Of course, like the rest of the house, we added it onto their phone. So first and foremost, if they're in bed and they feel lazy, they're just about to fall asleep, but they've left the downlights on, they can turn it off from their phone. We've also gone to the extent of adding these pendant lights on the dimmer. So let's say the husband wants to go to sleep and the wife wants to stay up and read a book. She can turn off her husband's pendant light and then she can dim her pendant light down so it's not a nuisance for the husband. A cool feature about this setup is if you're outside of the house or you're already in your car about to leave and then you realise a couple of lights stayed on, it's got a kill switch. So you can just hit that button and all your lights will go off in one go. The clients wanted something a bit more discreet and modern when it came to the light switches throughout their house. So we recommended these switches. They're nice, they're modern, they're chic and they're low profile and the client was very happy with the result. LED strip lights have become increasingly more popular with home renovations. We added our touch of perfection from Oztech Sparks and put LED strip lights under each one of the cabinets throughout the kitchen and it's brought the place out looking beautiful. Stay posted for our next video where we showcase our integrated security system that we installed and commissioned for this house.